Still looking at me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Ultimate Swag 2 back. Today we're at the gun range, and yeah, I'm about to show y'all the gun range right now. Let me show you the knives first, real quick. The knives right here. Y'all can see all those knives. And let me show you the good part, guys. Guns are over here, and guys, these are the guns right here. Over here. Let me show you quick. The guns are right here. And all that. There's the guns. And there's some more right here. And yeah. That's it, really. That's it, really. There's some ammo over here somewhere. Wait a minute. The ammo's over here. The ammo's right here. This is the ammo, guys. Right here. And yeah. And these are the targets we can use. And there's bigger ones over there. And let me show y'all the gun range part. Because I'm not shooting today. I'm shooting tomorrow, even though I shot today here before. And the gun range part is right over here. Today I'm not shooting a gun, but this is the gun range. Some more guns right here. Some more guns. More gun range. Yeah, that's it. Really. So, see you on another video. Peace. Ultimate Swag out. Peace.